Hello, this is our next video in Onshape basic tutorials. Uh, we're going to create a cylinder this time. So we're going to create a document in Onshape. We'll call this cylinder. Click OK. It should open. So we'll begin this same as before with a sketch. So click the sketch button. What plane do you want to draw this on? Again, I'm going to choose the top plane, and we can turn off the planes. For now, I'm going to keep the origin highlighted, that little dot in the middle of the screen. One thing we can do here, which makes it viewing sometimes easier when you're doing your sketch, is to change our view. So we can go to the view cube and click top, and now we're looking top down onto that sketch plane. And this time we're going to look for the circle tool, center point circle. I mean, we could do this anywhere, but we've got the origin there, we might as well use it. So click once in the origin, move your cursor out, click again. We are then going to edit this to be, or dimension this to be 100 millimeters in diameter. So look for the dimension tool and hover over the edge of the circle. It should highlight. Click once, move your cursor out, click again, and let's type 100. It will resize the circle, and that sketch is done. So what we can do is we can click in one of these corners in the view cube to go back to our three-dimensional view, and we will we will now extrude this to make it a solid shape. So we're going to look for the extrude tool. What do you want to extrude is this circle. So click on it. We're going to do it to a size of 100. Press enter. That's what it looks like. And tick. That's a cylinder.